Welcome back to another episode of Stock Talk. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Julie, and if you get anything out of this video, please be sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. So today I'm going to go over how to open up a custodial account, and I'm going to be using Schwab's brokerage company because they allow you to open up a custodial account for your children. So we're going to select accounts and products and go to education and custodial. And you can see here that they offer different plans. They have the 529 education savings plans, the education savings account, and the custodial account. But I want to talk specifically about the custodial account so that you guys can start investing on behalf of your children. Setting the account up should take less than 10 minutes. And here's a list of the items that you need, which is a U.S. permanent resident address. You need your social security number, your employee's name and mailing address if applicable, and you need your minor's social security number, date of birth, and employment information if applicable. So let's go right ahead and open the account. So on this first page, it's going to ask you for your information. So you put your name, email address, social security, date of birth, and mother's maiden name in here. Once everything is filled out, you just click on next, and then the next step will bring you over to the minor's information where you enter your child's information. After that, you click on next and you receive the account information. You'll agree to the terms and then you fund your account. Now, I already have an account set up. I'm going to just go right ahead and log into my account and show you what we're going to be doing next in the account. So once we're in the account, select trade, and then we're going to go on trading tools. And if we click on how to get started, we can see it's going to give you step by step how to fund your account, then how to explore the trading platform, and I'm going to go over a few items to quick start you, and then how to start trading. And also then you have your trading source, you have mobile trading. It also talks about pricing, so let's go over pricing and take a look. So you can see for any stocks or ETFs there is no charge. If you trade options, there will be a charge of 65 cents per contract, and there are no fees for mutual funds. Additionally, you have no trade minimums or account minimums. If we scroll down further below, we can see the only time that you're getting charge is when you use a broker. So if you pick up the phone and talk to a broker and they place your trades, it will charge you a service fee of $25. Additionally, if you trade over-the-counter equities, there's also a charge. And when we expand this, we can see there is an outline of any possible trade that's available with their fees. So let's scroll all the way back and go to trades, and then here we can see all the different options that we have available. You have your stock slices, which we're going to go over, your options, then you have mutual fund CDs, and I want to show you how to create a watch list. So let's do that right now. Creating a watch list is fairly easy. All you do is click on watch list, and then here you can either edit your list or create a list. And since we don't have a list, we're going to be creating a list. You can see you can enter up to 40 tickers. And when I say tickers is basically the symbol of the company that is publicly trading on the stock market. Apple, for example, is AAPL, Amazon is AMZN, and so on. So let me go ahead and create this watch list real quick. So once you have created your watch list of the companies that you are interested in trading, all you do is click save. And now the reason why you want to actually create a watch list is you can see the last price, you can see the days changed, you can see the 52-week range. Additionally, you can see the volume. And lastly, if you click on this box over here, you'll have a few different options. You can select trade, which will take you right to the stock, which we'll do in a second. You can hit on chart and you'll see this chart. And most importantly, you can set alerts. So if there's a stock that you're interested in trading, but you think it's priced too high right now, you can actually set an alert for the price that you're interested in purchasing the stock. So let's go right ahead and select trade. So this will take me right to Apple stock. And here we can see Apple symbol is already selected for me. Then I select if I want to buy or sell the shares, how many shares I would like to purchase, and then you have to decide on market price or limit price. Now personally, I always choose limit price, and then you actually enter the price that you want to purchase a stock for. Over here it's showing you the bid and ask price, so you would select a price between the bid and ask, usually the middle price, but I'm going to just go with the bid price. And then you preview your order. And as you can see, I forgot to select my buys. It will not let you move forward unless everything is properly filled out. And if everything looks good, you go ahead and submit your order. So we just saw that one share of Apple is $172. And if you're just starting out to invest for your child and you're planning on adding $50 a week or bi-weekly to your child's account, then you might not be able to right away purchase a stock of Apple. So that's why I like the option of Schwab stock slices that they're offering. And we can find that option option by going back to the top bar under trade and then selecting Schwab slices. With Schwab stock slices, it's really easy to invest. You select the stock that you want to invest into and what the amount is. And they have between 30 different stocks available for you to choose from, and you can start with as little as $5 per stock. So that is a really great option if you're starting out slowly. So let's go right ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So here you can see you have a list of different stocks, and the nice thing is it gives you the symbol, so you don't have to try and figure out what the symbol for each stock is. Additionally, on the left side we have the sectors, and once you decide on a stock, you just go ahead and select the stock, and then it takes you right to the purchase order. And then here you select the amount that you'd like to invest in. And as I said, you can start investing with as little as $5. Then you can go ahead and preview your order, and you can see that you now have an order in for $5. And then I will show you right here the amount of shares that you now own in Apple. So this is all that I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope that you guys got something out of this video. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate that, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.